How do you collect better user insights for your roadmap and get precise bug reports for your developers with Usersnap to Linear? Let's take a look. So what Usersnap can help you to do in product management is you have widgets, surveys to help you collect issues, feedback, and feature requests so that you can prioritize what users need in your roadmap. And I'll give you a quick tour of Usersnap before I go into the linear integration process. If you're already a power user of Usersnap, you can skip to that part. So with Usersnap, you have the feedback button that can launch a feedback menu, and you can connect your widgets, such as the visual capturing ones, so people can annotate directly on their screen in your website or on your web app to show you what problem they have, or they can record the screen recording with audio to explain to you and show you what their experience is so that you can understand what you need to tackle and improve. Also, the metadata is collected automatically, such as like the browser information and console log errors. Another thing that you can collect, which is very helpful for roadmaps, is feature requests. So any suggestions that your users have, if you're able to scale this will be very valuable for you to prioritize, and also based on the user context, such as if it's an enterprise customer or a long-term very loyal customer, you may want to give more weight to a certain feature request. Or you can launch rating surveys so that you can monitor the user experience and validate if your latest improvement is really delivering impact. So how do you connect all these juicy insights to your linear project? It's very easy to set up integration and also configure the settings, then authenticate the integration. So you can choose which linear team and project that you will send to. And you can also set the default assignee, priorities, and add a prefix to the title of the issue. What's really great for your workflow is that you can set up the two-way status sync. So this allows you to map the status from Usersnap to Linear. So you can set the default one. These are what you have on Linear, and then you can sync that as well as the resolve status. So when it's already done in Linear, once you have marked that, it will also sync to Usersnap. To help you with automation further, you can have all the feedback directly sent from Usersnap to Linear, or you can do it with more control through a manual process. So let's take a look at how a feedback looks like. So all the fields that are on the widget that you will collect is over here, as well as the screenshot and the additional things that Usersnap collects for you, like the URL, browser and platform information. And then you can also pass through the user data and custom data, such as email and maybe when a user first subscribed to your platform. And the console log errors can be recorded as well. And to act on the feedback, you can set assignee, status, priorities, labels. Then, of course, you can send the feedback to your linear project. So let's do that with this one, and within a second, within one click, it's sent over. And now let's jump to linear. So here is your linear project, and you can see that it has already received the feedback from Usersnap with all of the information over here to look at, and you can also open the original feedback from Usersnap in here, and then the link of the screenshot that is attached like this. So now let's try the two-way status sync. So marking this as done, and then back in Usersnap, you see that the status is automatically changed. So this should help you to enhance and streamline your workflow even more, and also improve the quality of feedback on issues, bug reports, feature requests that you receive in Linear. Hope you enjoy the integration.